Hello everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. So today I literally woke up and I was like, today is going to be a very chill day. I'm going to be knitting all day, no interruptions, and then I realized today is Friday, which means we're going shopping, which also means I'll be getting Christmas things, which is a good thing, but I thought I would have a day to just knit, but that's not today, and it's not tomorrow either, so it'll be like, no, it can't. Anyway, so rundown of today. Right now I'm going to knit. It's currently 9:08 right now, so I'm going to knit, and I'm not going to the store until like 2-ish, like past 2 later today, so I have like a lot of hours to get some knitting done, and then I'll be going to the store buying Christmas decorations. Then I'll come back, show you guys what I got, and then I'll do my advent calendar. But other than going shopping, today is essentially going to be a chill day because I will get way more knitting done today than I did yesterday, which is really good. So I'm excited for that. I'm excited to get more progress in my sweater. Like, I've been working on this for I would say maybe a week now, like on and off, and I still haven't gotten a lot done, so I'm really excited to get some work done with that. Oh, and then I also forgot to tell you guys that I'm also going to be working on 2 other projects this month beside the novice sweater mohair edition. I'm going to be doing 2 recreation pieces, crochet of course, and one is a recreation somebody suggested in my comments, so I'm gonna do that, and then another one that I already planned before, and that shouldn't even take me long, which is why I just shoved it into this busy month. So I'm excited to work on that. I don't know when I'm going to work on that because I haven't even bought yarn for it, which is just impeccable, so I can easily buy that whenever. So that's all I have to say about that, but let me show you guys my sweater because I put it on bigger needles and it's like curving and stuff, but ignore that. But this is how it looks. This is how it looks so far, and when I continue like working down with it, it'll stop curling around and stuff, but that's how it looks. And it's like, it goes over like this, you know, like, I don't want to do it, but it's you get it. But that's all I have to say. I don't want this intro to be long, so I'm going to end it now. And yeah, let's just get to knitting. Like, it doesn't even know I'm in here. Hey, look, our project looks good. Okay, goodbye. Okay guys, so I'm going to be taking a break from knitting, and we're going to be going to Walmart, and Kayla's coming with us, which is weird because she never comes shopping with us, but she wants to do a little Christmas decoration shopping as well. So that's what we're gonna do right now, and then I'll come back home and show you guys my yarn. So let's get it. Okay guys, so I'm back from the store and it is 6 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. And when I said I wanted Christmas decorations, I really meant like I wanted a Christmas hat. Honestly, that's all I wanted, but I ended up getting a stocking. Is that what it's called? I don't know, but anyway, here's my Christmas hat. Like so festive. And then I got, let me take the tag off. That was easy. And then I got a Christmas stocking. So I don't know where I'm gonna put this actually. Like I can put it on my shelf, but I feel like it'll get in the way of my yarn. But I don't really care about the yarn on that side. I don't know. I'll probably find a good place to put it tomorrow, and then I'll show you guys that. But that's honestly all I got. My sister, Kahila, she got Christmas lights, a Christmas hat, and other stuff. But yeah, honestly, I didn't want to go crazy. I really just wanted this hat, and I got it, so I'm happy about that. But now it's time to open the advent calendar. So you guys already know the drill about me opening it really, really slowly. I don't know. But anyway, okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, I keep forgetting to show you guys the other one, but I'll show you guys this first. It's so much more purple than yesterday. This is so beautiful. This is by far my favorite one. Like, this is beautiful. This one has, oh my gosh, it's unraveling. Oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do? I don't know how to control a Hank. I'm just gonna do that. Okay, but anyway, this is by far my favorite one. It has like hints of blue in it, a little bit of white, and purple. Of course, this is gorgeous. I love it. This is the best one so far. This is beautiful. Let me show you guys the other one. So this is day 1, and then day 2. It's fading. Okay, let me flip it around. Okay, so this is the 3 so far. This is day 1, day 2, and then day 3. It's changing colors. Can you guys tell? I can tell, and I love it so much. I can't wait to make something out of this. And then I found out from watching my sister's Vlogmas videos that this actually has 90 yards. So I have to do 90 times 25, I'm pretty sure, to get the yardage. But this is how it looks so far. This is so beautiful, and this is the best one. I think it's this one. Yes, because it has hints of blue in it. Ugh, I love it. I love it so far. So this is it. And let me put these up real quick because I don't want to mix it up. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay guys, so that's all for my video, my Vlogmas. So thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one with my hat. In my next one, no, I'll see you guys tomorrow, which is my next one technically, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.